We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Ever since I was a child, I've had a deep passion for creating. Whether it was building sandcastles in my grandma's front yard or painting with my fingers in the living room, my journey as a creator began at an early age. Even as a grown adult, I continue to express myself through various avenues, whether it's through fashion, YouTube videos, crocheting wearable pieces, experimenting new recipes, and other creative outlets. I never stop creating. My childhood dream was always to be an artist, but not just in one medium. I'm a jack of many creative trades, and I've always found it challenging to narrow down my focus and stick to one art form. However, I've never once questioned my identity as an artist because it's an integral part of who I am and who I'll always be. Even if I never reach the point where I can sustain myself solely through my art and I have to continue working in a different profession, I'll always be an artist first and foremost. I know many of you watching can relate to this sentiment. Although I never question my artistic identity, I still grapple with internal battles about whether I'll achieve my dream of fully living as an artist. Will this creative pursuit forever remain a side gig, or will I one day wake up on an ordinary workday and head straight to my art studio? The future remains uncertain, and I can't predict where my destiny will lead. But one thing I'm absolutely certain of is that regardless of whether I'm destined to achieve all my artistic dreams, I'll always be a creator. Creating brings me immense joy, especially during times when I need it most. I felt these words of wisdom resonate deeply with me, and I'm usually someone to keep thoughts like this to myself. However, I couldn't help but feel compelled to share these sentiments with my fellow artists. If I'm wrestling with these internal battles, I know that there are many artists out there facing similar struggles. I want you to know that it is not your time to give up. Remember your true reason for being an artist. In the age of social media, it's easy to get disheartened when you're constantly exposed to artists who seem to have made it. But it's important to recognize that we often don't see the hard work and challenges those creators have faced on their journey to where they are now. So my message to all of you is to continue creating the art you love no matter what. Your journey as an artist is unique, and your creative expression is a source of joy and fulfillment, no matter where it leads you. Keep pushing forward and don't let the fear of not making it deter you from doing what you love most.